Now we're just 38 days until Election Day. If she's confirmed, Judge Amy Coney Barrett could have a significant influence on the nation's highest court for decades to come.
I stand before you today to fulfill one of my highest and most important duties under the United States Constitution, the nomination of a Supreme Court Justice.
In a move hailed by Republicans and shunned by Democrats for its speed and schedule so close to a presidential election.
She is a woman of unparalleled achievement, towering intellect, sterling credentials, and unyielding loyalty to the Constitution.
President Trump on Saturday in the White House Rose Garden nominating 48-year-old federal judge Amy Coney Barrett to fill the seat of late Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg.
If confirmed, I would not assume that role for the sake of those in my own circle, and certainly not for my own sake. I would assume this role to serve you.
Judge Barrett is President Trump's third pick to the nation's highest court. Her nomination sets the course for a bitter political battle in Washington ahead of the November election. Democrats already united in opposing her candidacy.
A vote for Amy Coney Barrett is a dagger aimed at the heart of the health care protections Americans so desperately need and want.
Barrett is already well known in conservative circles as a devout Catholic, anti-abortion, and pro-Second Amendment. She was one of President Trump's finalists for the bench in 2018 and once served as a clerk for the late conservative Supreme Court Justice Antonin Scalia.
His judicial philosophy is mine too.
Senator Kamala Harris, a member of the Judiciary Committee and Democratic vice presidential nominee, urging the Senate to not act on Barrett's nomination until after the election, saying the president's pick is intended to destroy the Affordable Care Act, overturn Roe v. Wade, and harm millions of Americans. Chair of the committee, GOP Senator Lindsey Graham, on the other hand, praising the nomination on Fox News.
She's worked hard. She's deserving of this honor. Everybody who knows her understands she's just a complete superstar when it comes to the law.
And sources tell ABC News Republicans plan to start a 3-day confirmation hearing for Judge Barrett on October 12th. It's a timeline that could put Barrett on the bench by Election Day. Now, following today's nomination, the American Bar Association will immediately start its independent, nonpartisan peer evaluation of Barrett. It uses information provided by judges, lawyers, and other colleagues about the nominee's competence, integrity, and judicial temperament. It will not consider Barrett's philosophy, political affiliation, or ideology. The committee will then determine if Judge Barrett is well qualified, or not qualified. Well, tonight we're hearing from Alabama politicians on the Supreme Court nomination.
That's right. Governor Kay Ivey says she fully supports President Trump's pick. In his statement, Ivey says in part, quote, based on her proven career and background, I am confident that Judge Barrett will be articulate and a fair supporter of issues important to Alabamians, such as protecting the unborn and our Second Amendment rights while applying the law impartially.
And we're also hearing from U.S. Senator Richard Shelby. He released this statement regarding the nomination. He said in part, quote, our next Supreme Court justice must be steadfast supporter of upholding our nation's Constitution. I have no doubt in Judge Barrett's qualifications, and I look forward to supporting her nomination, end quote.
And Senator Doug Jones right there announced his stance on filling the Supreme Court vacancy in a video statement Friday night. Senator Jones said in a tweet, quote, I will not vote to confirm any Supreme Court justice nominee until after the election is concluded. The American people deserve a voice, end quote.